Okay, here I am walking in. It's Island Shangri-La, the newly ventilated city view suite. Okay, so walking in, this is a nice pantry area, and then you can see their signature there. And then as well as the welcome amenity is very nicely set up in like a mini fridge setup. Very cute, very presentable. And then plus all the Shangri-La snacks. Also they include some cookies, some chocolates, and just want to point out they have the higher level of the espresso machine, which normally even 5-star hotel do not have this model. And then they have the Chinese tea. So let's take a look. Okay, nice cutlery, some alcohol. Oh, and then very nice the coffee and tea set with a lot of the Nespresso capsules. Okay, so I just walk in. On my right hand side is actually a walk-in closet area, which is quite good size. And then walking in a little bit opposite to the pantry, normally it's the powder room for suite, but they do not just have the toilet area, they have the full shower. When you just walk in, it's like a second bathroom, so to speak. Okay, now walking in to their suite is newly renovated with the cupboard and everything. Is a very full-size sofa set, which can, I would say, comfortably sit between 8 to 12 people for sure. And then very nice furniture fixture, and then a big TV here, and then their signature wall that they have put in all the new rooms, I guess. And this is the bathroom. No, sorry, this is the bedroom. So as said, we have the city view suite. So we're not on a very high floor, but still it's very open. Even the city view is like very comfortable, very good views from the bedroom. And then another big TV here. Okay, so now I'm walking in back to the walk-in closet area. So to my left is the big bathroom, the master bedroom bathroom. So they have a big, deep, oval-shaped bathtub, and also with a TV. This is the whole setup. And then let's take a look at the amenities. We are using John Master's Organics. And then also, in addition to the bathtub, they have another rain shower bathroom, walk-in bathrooms, which is a very big size, I would say. And then this area. So a lot of brass component, they still use some kind of the marble setup. The Shangri-La bathroom, and then the safe deposit box, and also the pajamas, I assume. So basically now I just walk back out to the front door. So this is a complete room tour of the newly renovated Island Shangri-La City View Suite. Thank you for watching.